Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. One of the strange and, I have to say, quite annoying things about being a native speaker working as an English language teacher is that a lot of my friends and acquaintances don't seem to regard what I do as a real job. So I often get asked things like, "So, are you still teaching?" in a way that you'd never ask a doctor or a lawyer or any other sort of professional. The other day, an old friend of mine who I hadn't seen for a while, who does actually work as a journalist, asked me if I was still writing those books. I decided to respond in a humorous, self-deprecating kind of way. So I said, yeah, I am. I'm still managing to churn out a couple of books a year. If you churn out something or churn something out, you produce it in large quantities, often without really caring much about the quality. Yeah, so it's quantity over quality. So, for example, Hollywood seems to keep on churning out endless Marvel movies and endless Fast and Furious sequels. You might talk about writers being very prolific because they seem to churn out 3 or 4 novels every year, or musicians being very prolific because they just seem to churn out album after album after album. Factories can churn out maybe 500,000 cheap watches every month. And one of my students the other day was talking rather cattily, rather bitchily, about an ex-classmate of hers who, I quote, is like some kind of baby producing machine. She just seems to churn them out on an annual basis. If you've enjoyed this video, do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use churn out.